So hi guys, welcome back to one of my amazing reviews from an amazing company on Amazon called Seedear, and they kindly sent me an electric air washer for me to review. And as you can see, it comes nicely packaged. I literally ordered this like 2 days ago, and it's already arrived. So as you can see, you've got the instructions, and it gives you the information on the usage in regards to it has an on and off button, and you can set it to whether you want it strong or weak. When circulating to proper water pressure, release the button. So it's basically telling you that you can control it to how much you can handle. It's also got a memory function for the next use after turning it off. When it is adjusted to DIY mode, it will automatically memorize the last time it was adjusted. And as you can see from the image, it's an electric air washer, guys. What can you get that's actually better than this to clean your ears at home for a fraction of the price? I just love how it's come packaged. At the back, you can literally see the on and off button, the mode switch button, and the charging indicator. So obviously it can never run out of charge. As you can see here, it's got the soft mode, pulse mode, strong mode, and DIY mode. And obviously the soft mode is gentle cleaning for air canal sensitivity. The plus mode, plus water flow for comfortable cleansing. The strong mode, which is a strong wash, eradicates the toughest buildup of airwax. And you've got the DIY mode, which is the personalize the suitable pressure as needed. Now we're going to go ahead and just open it up. Oh. And guys, I've actually used cheap versions to these things, and it wasn't very good. But the versions that I was using before wasn't electric, so I think that the electric is going to give me a much better result for air cleaning. So as you can see, it comes with quite a lot of gadgets inside. It comes with the air washer product manual, and it also comes with the precaution for use, with some very clear images for you to see. And then as you can see, all the little gadgets to attach to the air washer, the electrical air washer itself. And then this is how it looks. How amazing. So guys, this was literally only around the £50 mark. And guys, I can guarantee you, this is not something you want to miss out on. If you want to get your airs professionally cleaned, order it from Seedear. And this is the spelling for it. Seedear. SEEDEAR. That is the spelling. Go on Amazon now and literally, guys, get your orders in and let me know how it goes and if it's made a difference to you. And yeah, get your orders in.